We're going to kick it off today with concepts and perceptions related to time. And I'm going to kick it off on the most boring note by sharing with you a definition of time management. According to Merriam-Webster, good old dictionary, there are two pieces, two definitions, two ways to describe time management. One is the measured or measurable period during which an action, process, or condition exists, the duration. It can also mean a non-spatial continuum that is measured in terms of events, which succeed one another from past through present to future. What does that mean? That's supposed to be the official definition. Now, if I read that, that means nothing to me, and therefore I still don't understand what time management is. And that's why it's important to create your own definition of time management. And that's exactly where we started with Nancy. So with Nancy, we were talking about what does time management mean to you? Does it mean that you have less stress? Does it mean that you create realistic to-do lists? Does it mean that you know how to manage your calendar? Does it mean that you know how to say no to other requests when your plate is fully loaded? So this time, I want you to think about what is your definition of time management. Nice, getting work done on time. The ability to understand my capacity. Oh, that is so important of what I want to do and what I can do. Excellent. Jane, managing energy and activity to accomplish the important things at the right time. Yes. Completing tasks or transitioning efficiently. Great. Choosing actions in the right order to achieve my immediate commitments and goals. Wonderful. Working efficiently. I get 168 hours in a week. It is in my control how I invest it or waste it. Excellent. Somebody's been thinking about time management already. Alex, controlling my thinking while I control my tasks and projects. Wonderful. So with Nancy, what she decided is that time management to her meant that she would walk in with a plan. She would understand how to triage and adjust it throughout the day. So basically prioritization, like several of you mentioned. And by the end of the day, she would make sure that she ended on a positive note, meaning reflecting first on what she was able to accomplish instead of ending the day first on beating herself up for the things she didn't get done. So that was her vision of what time management was going to mean to her.